Galaxy S25 Edge had me excited, until it didn't. This might be Samsung's most confusing phone yet, and here's why it could be their biggest miss in years. Pre-order CTA. Before we dive deep, a quick heads up. S25 pre-orders are about to close. Samsung's throwing in 900 trade-ins, 350 storage upgrades, and free Buds 3 Pro. Links below. Don't say I didn't warn you. Design promise versus reality. Let's start with what Samsung got right. The S25 Edge completely shattered leaks. Even reliable sources like OnLeaks were wrong. That camera module? Finally, something fresh after years of the same tired design. For a second, I was ready to pre-order. Battery. The unforgivable sin. 3,900 milliamp hours on a 6.5-inch premium phone in 2025. Let that sink in. Even the smaller S25 gets 4,000 milliamp hours. Samsung had the perfect chance to debut cutting-edge silicon carbon batteries. Chinese brands are already doing it. But no, they played safe. Again. It's like they're waiting for Apple's permission to innovate. Camera. 2 steps back. Early rumors promised ultra-level cameras. Reality? A 200-megapixel main and ultra-wide. And that's it. A dual-camera flagship in 2025? Apple can get away with this. Their fans would buy an iPhone shaped like a potato. But Samsung, this is borderline self-sabotage. The identity crisis. So what's the point? Trying to compete with Apple's slim iPhone? Except the S25 Edge isn't thin enough to wow anyone. Not groundbreaking like a 5.5mm iPhone Air. Not practical enough to justify its $1,000+ price. It's stuck in smartphone purgatory, and that's the real tragedy here. Samsung had 2 choices. Go all in on thinness or make a powerhouse. They chose neither. The predatory pricing problem. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. That rumored $1,099 starting price. For what? A phone with fewer cameras than the $799 S25A battery smaller than last year's budget. A-series no meaningful innovation to justify the Edge premium. Samsung must think we've all got amnesia. Remember when Edge meant cutting-edge technology? Now it just means, well, edges. The Samsung paradox. Here's Samsung's fatal flaw. They're trying to out-Apple Apple while forgetting what made them great. When Apple removes chargers or ports, they double down on ecosystem lock-in. When Samsung does it, you get this. A phone that's neither fish nor fowl. Not premium enough to wow enthusiasts, not practical enough for mainstream buyers. Just a shiny $1,100 question mark. Who actually buys this? Seriously, picture this phone's ideal customer. Wants flagship status, but settles for fewer features. Cares about thinness, but not enough to wait for the real slim iPhone has $1,100 to burn, but ignores better phones at this price. This isn't a target demographic, it's a corporate fever dream. The S25 Edge isn't just disappointing, it's insulting. It proves Samsung can make beautiful hardware, then sabotage it with baffling decisions. If this is their vision for the future, maybe we should all. Just buy last year's S24 Ultra instead. Which, by the way, is currently $300 off. Link in description. But hey, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you love compromised cameras and battery anxiety? Let me know in the comments. Would you buy the S25 Edge? For now, I'm Atif Official, signing off before my charger dies, just like this phone would.